Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jonah Tech and Awesomeness. Okay, I'm gonna review. Oh, sorry about that. This thing. It's a Sony handycam. So you can see the Sony branding. A review technology, alright? So this thing right here has a 560x just let it focus. Digital zoom, but it has 20x optical. As you can see, it has night shot. It's a little hard to do it. There we go. Now, let me just pause this real quick, and I'll be back with you. Alright, guys, I'm back. Now, as you can see, this thing has a 2-inch TFT screen, and here's the record button right here. Here's the power button. Now, let me just show you guys what the USB switch is. You know, the USB where you plug it in. Let me just close this. Let me turn my light on. Ah, crap. There was the fan. There we go. Now, there it is. It's below the battery, as you can see. See, it's a little port right here. So we put the USB charger in. Alright, we just power this thing off. It's so hard to do this with one hand. There we go. Now, and here's a little strap. Put it around your neck. You can like carry this around. And here's the handle thing where you put your hand. But now, I'll show you what this thing takes. This thing takes cassette tapes. It takes high 8. So just remember, these things cost about $5 a piece. So yeah. Okay, and here's the black and white viewer thing. As you can see. Yep. This camera costs about $100 on eBay. Brand new. And yeah, and here's the battery, as you can see. And I'll show you what other accessories it has. Here's the bag for carrying it. And here's your power cord right here. And in here is your power bank to where you just plug it in. And yeah. I hope you guys like this review of the Sony handycam TFT 2-inch screen camcorder. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I will see you later.